Hello Heavy Metal Maidens and Masters, I'm Heavy Metal Momma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are unboxing something very exciting from Simply Gothic. Another Simply Gothic video. It's so exciting, there's been so many products recently. I am so excited to show you what is in here, and I have got some of my other Simply Gothic items to show you as well. But before we get to that, remember to like this video, comment down below to discuss any of the things that come up in the video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and thank you to all of you that already do. Hit that notification bell so you can find out whenever I upload, and welcome. So it is a Simply Gothic unboxing. I know what's in here. I'm very excited to show you what is in here. It is an unusual time of year for it to come out, but all will be revealed. Let's just get into this box, eh? So, as usual, she always wraps everything absolutely beautifully. It does the wonderful Kirsty Simply Spooky that runs Simply Gothic. Today we have black tissue paper and we have a little sticker that says, "Here lies your order." Love it, love it, love it. I'm going to try and really gently remove the paper because I love to keep the stickers. Oh, here we go, look. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't want to show you yet. Okay, so we have a business card, as always, with all of the socials on it. I will, of course, put them up on the corner of the screen and down in the description box. And we have a note from Kirsty. Hi Laura, thanks so much for collaborating again. I hope you love your new Gothic planner. It's a Gothic planner. Your code for your followers is HMM10 for 10% off the planner. Thanks again, Kirsty. That's so cool. Right, so we have the gorgeous little postcard. Absolutely love it. It's got, again, all the socials on it. It's got a discount code off for your next order when you get one, and it's got a little like one of those QR codes that you can scan to review your order as well, which is very cool. I do like how high tech she's getting with everything. We have the little spooky ghost with a pineapple. It's so cute. I love all the spooky ghost stickers. They're so cool. And we have the planner. Oh, this one's so cool. Oh, I love it. I love it. So this is the 2024 Simply Gothic Planner. I absolutely love it. It's so exciting. Oh, I'm so excited to see what she's done. So I have my very well used 2023 planner here. Oh, so yep, she's put some slightly different artwork on the front. It's similar but a little bit different. So on last year's we've got like some vampire teeth, and we've got like a skull with a raven on the top and like a cute pumpkin. This time we have got, oh, we've got a death moth. We've got a slightly scarier looking pumpkin. Oh, we've got like a raven in flight. We've got a plague doctor mask. Love it, love it. Oh, and this little cute little goblin thing. He's so cute. I love it. Oh, this is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's have a look inside. So we have, oh, this planner belongs to, oh, look at the ghost. He's holding up a little banner that says 2024. I love it. And then we have got the full year's calendar contents here on the first page. And then we've got the monthly planner starting at January. So she's done the whole month per day so that you can quickly write on them. We've got notes here, we've got goals, and we've got to-do, tick lists. And then we've got a page per week. So you've got like a tab here for each day of the month. And then you've got, again, notes and the goals and to-do. She's kept to the same format as last year. Absolutely love it. So for January we have ghosts. What have we got for February? Oh, February we've got skulls with heart eyes. Absolutely love it. Then for March we have got, oh, cauldrons. Love it. And then what have we got for April? April we've got bats. Love it. I love a bat. Love a bat so much. I love all the little cobwebs in the corners as well. It's just so cute. And then what have we got for May? May we've got spiderwebs. Love a spiderweb. It's just, oh, I love it. Everything's so cool. June we've got coffins with little bats cut out. July we've got plague doctor masks. What have we got for August? August we've got ravens in flight. September we've got RIP tombstones. I'm assuming for October we have pumpkins. Of course we have pumpkins. And then for November, ooh, death head moths for November.